Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account without doing anything while you slept. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm revealing 5 real passive income streams that are actually working in 2025. Ways to make money while you sleep. And no, I'm not talking about surveys or get-rich-quick schemes. Stick around because method number 3 is something most people completely overlook, but it's making people thousands of dollars every single month. And at the end of this video, I'll share a bonus strategy that can set you up for long-term wealth. So, let's dive in. Before we get started, let's clear up a common misconception. Passive income isn't just do nothing and get rich. It takes effort to set up. But once it's running, it can generate money for you 24/7. And trust me, once you experience it, you'll never want to rely on a 9-to-5 job again. The first method is selling digital products. This is one of the most scalable ways to make passive income. You create something once, like an ebook, an online course, stock photos, or even simple Notion templates, and sell them repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. Imagine selling a digital product for just $20. If you sell 5 per day, that's an extra $3,000 per month without any additional work. The best part? There's no inventory, no shipping, and no need to worry about restocking. You make it once, and it keeps making you money. Next up, we have YouTube automation. And no, you don't need to show your face. Here's how it works. You hire a team or use AI to create faceless YouTube videos. These can be finance tips, history facts, or even motivational content. Once your channel gets monetized, YouTube ads pay you every single month. And here's the crazy part. Some faceless channels are making over $10,000 a month with completely automated content. It takes some work up front, but once you have a system in place, it becomes a truly passive income machine. Now here's one that a lot of people overlook: dividend stocks. This is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income because you literally get paid just for holding certain stocks. Here's how it works. When you invest in solid companies that pay dividends, they send you a percentage of their profits regularly, usually every quarter. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a stock that pays a 5% dividend, you'll earn $500 per year in completely passive income. And if you reinvest those dividends, they compound over time, growing your wealth even faster. This is how the wealthy build generational wealth, by making their money work for them instead of the other way around. The fourth method is print on demand. This is where you create designs, like t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. When someone buys your design, the company prints and ships the product for you. The best part? You don't have to handle inventory, customer service, or shipping. You just collect the profits. And you don't even need to be an artist. AI tools can help create designs for you. Imagine having dozens of products online that sell while you sleep. This is a perfect passive income stream for creatives or anyone who wants to make money without a huge upfront investment. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most powerful passive income streams out there. This is where you promote products you love using special links. And whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. For example, let's say you recommend a software like Shopify or a finance tool, and they pay you $50 per sign-up. If just 20 people sign up per month, that's an easy $1,000 in passive income. And if you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a TikTok page, you can scale this to life-changing income levels. As promised, here's a bonus method: high-ticket digital assets. These are things like premium online courses, membership sites, or even selling an AI-generated tool. Instead of making $5 or $10 per sale, imagine making $500 or $1,000 per sale. That's the power of high-ticket digital products. The key is to provide massive value, and people will happily pay for it. All right, there you have it. 5 ways to make passive income while you sleep. Which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if you want more step-by-step guides on making money online, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a video. Remember, set it up once and let it pay you forever. See you in the next one.